Yo, welcome back. This is Week Check. Let's see what's dropping in the next 7 days. Yes, welcome back everybody. If you're new to the channel, my name is Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of kicks and trainers. This is my Week Check series, which I drop every Sunday to try and give you the heads up on what's dropping in the next 7 days. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell. For all those who are back to the channel, thank you. The channel keeps on rising. I'm so happy for all your support, and if we can get some more subs in, more views, it's all good, and I can carry on giving you all this content, which I hope is helping you in some way. But like I always say, comment. Let me know what you're copping. Let me know what you copped last week. Let me know if you took L's or W's. Was it the best week you've ever had in collecting trainers? It's, you know, we communicate. So first thing I like to do in this series is do a bit of housekeeping. Now, the information I'm going to give you now is the information I have at the time of recording. We know in the sneaker industry, there's delays, there's withdrawals, and there's surprise drops. So if you want to know what's happening day to day, follow me on Instagram at Patrick T for real. Every morning I post what should be coming out that day. So if anything is missed in this recording, you can definitely catch me every morning on Instagram at Patrick T for real, and I'll give you the info that morning. You should also know when you're entering raffles such as Size and FootPatrol and, you know, other raffles, make sure you read the T's and C's, because what they do sometimes is take that money, well, they allocate that money for your bank account. So that means you cannot use it. So if you enter for a Jordan 4 or something like that, it's £180, and you enter for another thing on FootPatrol, just know that you could be £300 and something down, which you cannot touch until after the raffle. So if the raffle's not open for the next 5 days, that money's out of your account. If you take an L, they obviously refund that, but it takes about 5 working days. So, you know, from the time you enter to the time you get your money back, it could be 10 days or something like that. So I'd like to give you the heads up on those things. Another thing you should know as well, when I say a raffle or a day where a trainer is dropping, such as in Size or FootPatrol, that's a raffle. That is the day the raffle ends. So you have to enter that day or the days before. And then I think the release date is usually the day after. So sometimes I might say a Jordan 4 is dropping in Size on the 5th of July, but it might again drop on sneakers on the 6th of July, because that's the actual official night release date. All that said and done, let's just get straight into this. Week check, 4th to the 10th of July. Let's go. Yes, so the first drop I can see on this day is a Nike Air Max 97 called BLUEBERYY. This is going for £165, and you can pick this up on sneakers. We then have a women's exclusive dunk low called Barley. This is going for £100, and you can pick this up on the Nike website. Yes, it's Tuesday the 5th of July. So the first up, we have a woman's exclusive Ultraboost 22. This is being released on the Adidas website. It may be released on confirmed, but it's not up there yet. This is going for £165. It's been released in 2 colorways. The names of these colorways are the White Wonder Red and the Shadow Navy. I don't know who makes these up, but there you go. If we then switch over to the SNS app, there's a few Jordan 1s being released. You can look at how much they are. I think that a lot of them are re-releases, or they're just some there, but Jordan 1s are Jordan 1s. If you like them, you like them. But have a look at the SNS app. We then have an Asics Gel-Lyte 3 with Atmos called the Sneaker Freaker. This is going for £155, and you can pick this up on the SNS app. Ooh, hump day. Wednesday the 6th of July. Let's see what's dropping. We have a woman's exclusive Jordan 3 called Dark Mocha. This is dropping for £180, and you can pick this up on Size and FootPatrol. We then have a dunk low called Next Nature. This is dropping in a white mint colorway. It's going for £90, and you can pick this up on Nike website. Thursday, 7th of July, we've got a few kicks dropping. First up, we have the Air Humor and Jacket Miss collab. These are dropping in 2 colorways, which are the Light Bone and Gold and L Brown and Gold. These are going for £153, and you can pick these up on Sneakers, End and SNS. We then have the sneakers release on the women's only Jordan 3 Dark Mocha. Again, this is going for £180, and like I said, you can pick this up on Sneakers. Next up is a Dunk High grey white. This is going for £100 and you pick this up on size. There's also a Dunk Low black white. Again, this is going for £100 and again you pick this up on size. If you missed out before, you now have a second chance at a restock of the Jordan 4 military black. This is going on FootPatrol and it's going for £180. There's also another restock of the Jordan 2 Maison Chateau Rouge. Again, this is going on FootPatrol and again, this is going to cost you £205 if you missed out before. New Balance are dropping another one of their classic silhouettes, which is a 990. This is called Made in USA. This is going for £220 and you can pick this up on End and New Balance website. There's a second chance for yourselves to get your hands on the Asics Gel-Lyte Atmos Sneaker Freaker. It's still going for £155, but this time you can pick it up on End. Now, this was supposed to be released last week, but it was put back. And we're talking about the Nike Zoom Lebron 3 QS. This is going for £170 and you can pick this up on End. Yes, Friday, the 8th of July. Everyone must be looking forward to this day. Again, we've got a few drops dropping today, so let's just get straight into this. First up is another Jordan 2 collab, but this time it's with Nina Chanel Abney. She's doing two, which is a high and a low, one in red, one in green. The red is going for £225 and the low green is going for £200. You can pick these both up on Sneakers and SNS on this day. Next up is a New Balance collab with Stone Island. Now these were released some time ago if I'm correct, but these may be two new different colorways. The first one is Elite Burgundy and the second colorway is called Rain Cloud. These are going for £220 and you can pick these up on End. We then have a restock, or maybe they were never released, but we're talking about the New Balance Sally Banbury joints. These are just called the white, but obviously they've got the pink and everything in there. These are ones with a whistle on the heel. Now these are going for £130 and you can pick these up on End. Next up is the Air Force One 07 LV8 Vintage. This is going for £115 and again you can pick these up on End. We then have an Air Max 95 OG. This is called Black and Dark Beetroot. This is going for £170 and you can pick these up on End. Switching to Adidas and the controversial Adilet slides, we have a new colorway called Aluminium. This is being released on the Adidas and possibly confirmed website. These are again going for £45, which is just a bit cheaper than the Yeezy slides. But I'm just saying. Another one to look out for today is the Jordan 1 Utility. Now these are Jordans with the bag on the back and all that stuff and things like that. These are coming in a different colorway. These are going for £165 and you can pick this up on SNS. Yes, Saturday, the 9th of July. Happy weekend. Let's see what's dropping. First up, we have the Air Max Penny. This is coming in the Phantom Dust and White Summit colorway. This is going for £165 and you can pick these up on Sneakers. Vans are dropping a little something today. If you like your classic Vans, these are going to be right up the street. First up is a Vans Vault called Brain Dead UA OG Classic Slip-On. These are going for £95. You can pick these up on End and you possibly should be able to pick them up on Vans as well, but I'm not too sure about that. The next one is also a Vans Vault, but this one is called Vans Vault Brain Dead UA OG Authentic. Now this is like the slip-ons, but obviously it's got laces. These are going for £85 and again you can pick these up on End and possibly the Van website as well, but again I'm not too sure. So that's it, week check over, 4th to the 10th of July. I hope you've seen some things you want to pick up. The dark mochas, women's, I'm jealous, could have got me men's sizes, but you know, sometimes it just is what it is. And there's some other little ones I like in there as well. Probably hit all L's as usual, but that's just the way the cookie goes. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe. Definitely let me know what you're trying to get this week, what you didn't get last week, and if this is just a week you're going to miss, because sometimes you just have to hold your money in your pocket, you know what I mean? So that's me, Patrick T. I'm out. Another week check. Thank you very much. Peace.